never talk about Kampala if you don't talk about this traffic light. Sorry, this traffic light. Oh. You'll never talk about Kampala if you don't talk about traffic. Jam. Most people call it jam in Kampala. It's the time. What's the time? The time is midday. We are going to 1 p.m. But embouteillage is too much. You know, embouteillage is in French, jam in English. So guys, welcome again to my face. Welcome to my channel. We are doing well. The day is okay. We are heading to downtown, but traffic is the challenge here. Okay, traffic is a problem here, but we are going slowly by slowly, and other people are bypassing us in front because we don't really have much to say. Okay, you know, this embouteillage, sometimes you ask yourself, should I take a motorbike or should I just walk? Because even inside here you need to have AC, because if you don't have AC, for sure the sun is, first of all, the sun is too much outside. You can see the sun is too much. Then being inside the car when you don't have an AC, the problem. Guys, do you think what do you think Kampala can do to reduce the traffic? I think they have changed the mayor of Kampala.
I said, let me go in attack. When I did this, to push myself to go to attack, he cocked, and immediately I did this. When he cocked, I just did this. The bullet passed over my head, got my friend at the back.
Yeah.
So when I did this, I went straight with an uppercut and a straight punch. So this uppercut lifted the guy in the air. Before he landed, I took a straight punch.
This feels like a movie.
It is like a movie, but it's true. True story. You can go to Chamboga and
So
ask.
you actually hit him and
I hit him
dropped
up
his
here.
gun.
He went up, straight punch. He fell the other side. So he came now to bump into me. I hooked him.
I don't know if he has some ideas. Should we stop buying cars, or should the government construct highways? Those are questions, guys. Tell us in the comment section, what do you think we can do to reduce this? Because most people have been saying that the government is not doing anything. But for me, I think I don't really want to talk about politics stuff, but I think in Uganda they have some roads. You know, they have some roads, but the problem is that maybe they have many cars. Yeah, but traffic here is on another level. I don't know. What do you think the government should do? Like, what do you think the new mayor can do to reduce this issue?